Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on SatoshiVM. All right, I wanted to do a quick video on this. It will be a price prediction plus kind of talking about the project. If you want a full project and endcoin review, then go to my second channel. All right, my second channel is called Cilinix Crypto Reviews, which you can find right here. There you can see it. There I posted a full review, very useful. Check that out if you want to. All right, Cilinix Crypto Reviews. But now we'll focus on Satoshi, or SAVM, the token, or the main coin. I actually should say, of SatoshiVM. One of the biggest launches yet, and I mean I have a lot to say about this, but this is what the chart looks like. Here you can see the IDO launched at $1, I believe. Since then has already gone up so much. I mean, at this moment, it doesn't look like it's stopping. Now, like I said, there's a lot of things I want to say about this. First of all, the project, I mean, there's reasons why it's valuable and why it has potential. However, it's being shilled and promoted on crypto Twitter so much. All right, it's very, very certain in my eyes that if you look at the token distribution, and if you look at contributors or some sort of distribution here, it's definitely going to the influencers. All right, they were probably able to buy even at like 50 cents or maybe 10 cents even, or a way lower price than the IDO price. They were able to buy in. So they're making a ton of money right here. But that also creates a very, very real risk. All right, and that is that they have a lot of tokens. At some point of time, they're going to sell. So if you look at SAVM right now, it still looks bullish, all right? And we're still probably going to get some big listings, so that will keep SatoshiVM bullish. All right, right now, if you look at it, the market cap is still relatively low at 90 million, but the volume is $94 million, and most of that is coming from Uniswap. If it gets listed on major exchanges, volume will go up, and it might even get a Binance futures listing, all right? So that's all a possibility, and that's why I'm telling you, I'm bullish on SatoshiVM. Technically, I think this could reach 100, 200, maybe even $500 million in a market cap, which would push the price up to higher than $50 by far. So I do think that SatoshiVM has a lot of potential, but given the fact that I also know that a lot of tokens are going to people who are going to want to sell at some point of time, probably at a high price, which at this point, it already is a very high price. Look, they're going to sell. So at this moment, I mean, if you do a quick technical analysis, what you'll see is that we've never had a bearish breakout. Always the resistance levels we broke above, we held as support. Here you can see time and time again, every resistance level we broke above held as support. So at some point of time, I think $15 and then afterwards $20 are the two main levels where that's a risk. At some point of time, we're going to have a bearish breakout after a strong resistance level, which, like I said, could be 15, could be 20, could be even higher. That's something we don't know because, like I said, at this moment, SAVM is still very, very bullish. All right, so I expect it to rally higher than where we are right now at $14. But just be careful, all right? Because if we're going to get a bearish breakout, I'm very, very convinced that one bearish breakout below a previous level. So for example, if right now we drop down below 12.5, I think we're going to fall down hard, all right? By like 20, 30, maybe even 40 to 50%. So right now I'm bullish. I expect $15. If we don't get a significant resistance at $15, I expect 17.5 and 20. However, the main thing I want to tell you is to be careful, right? So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then of course, let me know. My voice is a little bit fucked up, but that's okay. And there goes the monetization. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.